Hi guys, this is Man coming back at you with another reaction channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a thumbnail. With this, you can create a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram thumbnail, it doesn't matter. But today I'm going to be showing you how to do it and where to go at to find it. Now, before we get started, I need you to do 4 simple things for me. I need you to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell, leave a comment, like it. It's going to help me out big time to get my video more out there, okay? Now, also, my social media is going to be flying up somewhere up here, okay? Don't be afraid to get in touch with me. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my reaction channel. So like I said, today I'm going to be showing you how to create that thumbnail. Alright, so I got some tabs open websites for you to go to, okay? So what you'll want to do is go to FOTOR. This website is really going to show you some templates, okay? Now, I already typed in here the reaction. So what you want to do is go to reaction. Maybe I like this one, right? Now you got Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails. Let's say you just want to go to the YouTube thumbnails and check it out. See? But what you'll have to do is go to templates and then go to YouTube thumbnails. And it'll show you all your YouTube thumbnails right here, all the way down. Okay. Let's say I like this one because I'm a gaming person, right? Let's say I don't like these people. I want to take them out. Boom. What you do, you click on it and press backspace. Let's say you already got a picture. All right. For the sake of it, I don't have a picture. So what I would do is I'm going to go to people. I'm going to go to image. And let's say this was you, right? What I would do is save it. I'm gonna save it to my computer. Now, if you already had a picture, what you will want to do is send it to your email and then save it to your computer. Now, I will go back. What first you will want to do is go to this website, which is called removial.ai. It allows you to choose any photo, just like this, and then take the background out. Boom. You see it? Now you can edit. Let's say you want to, I don't know, change the background of it, make it red. Okay, boom. What I'll do is, well, for the sake of it, I'm gonna just leave it white. I'll download that image. I'll go back to where I was. I'll go to upload, click upload, go to your picture. Hi guys, I just wanted to let you know there's about a 4 seconds delay over because it's downloading. Okay, so just be with me, just a 4 seconds delay over. Okay, all right, here it goes. All right, now remember I had made it white. So if I wanted to go back to background removal, I could just go right here, right? And then I could click download my image. Click right here. Now what I want to do is backspace it. I go back up to upload, go to my computer, go to removal, and watch this. Boom. You see what I did? I went to background removal because these allows you to change the backgrounds. This allows you to change the backgrounds of what you wanted, okay? So this is right here is transparent. This right here is red, white. I just did that to show you how it would look. But you wanted to be transparent if you wanted to blend in with the background that you have, okay? Boom. Now what I would do is scale it, move it, boom. And let's say you want to take out some of this. Press it, press this, backspace, right? And then you can add your own little text. Let's say I want to say something. And let's say you want to make it white so you can see, right? Or you want to make it orange or whatever. There you go. Now, You could do the same thing on Canva. Same thing. Go to reaction or go to YouTube thumbnails. It doesn't matter. Here's a lot of templates. Now I'm trying to keep it short for you, but if you need me to go into depth, I could do a part 2. Same thing as you do. So you got this website, Canva, and removal background .ai. Also on here you got photo room. It's the same thing. It lets you upload a photo. Again, let's just say here, boom, and then take it out. It's the same thing, but it's a little more faster. Alright guys, thanks for watching it to the end of the channel. This is Yuki Man. I wanted to let you know, don't forget to like, subscribe, link that button, ring the bell, okay? Also, I'm going to be leaving the website description on the link below, okay? Also, my social media is going to be flying up there, so don't be afraid to hit me up. Yuki Man is out.